Hey there, beautiful people. Do your mornings start with a dull, throbbing headache? Does your jaw feel sore and tired, even though you just woke up? If this sounds familiar, you may be grinding your teeth at night. But don't worry, it's a common problem called bruxism, and I'm here to help you discover how to stop grinding teeth at night. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Bruxism. Fancy term, right? It's simply the medical name for teeth grinding or clenching. According to a study by Khoury and his crew back in 2018, it can lead to headaches, damaged teeth, and other unpleasant symptoms. Not cool, right? First off, let's figure out if you're grinding those pearly whites at night. Common symptoms, as mentioned by experts from Mayo Clinic, include headaches, sore jaw, disrupted sleep, and even worn-down teeth. It's a sneaky condition. Most of us don't even realize we're doing it until the symptoms kick in. So how do you stop it? Firstly, consider a dental splint or mouthguard. They're like a superhero shield for your teeth. Dentists, like those at the American Dental Association, say that wearing one of these can provide instant relief. Stressed out? We all get that way sometimes. But guess what? Stress can lead to bruxism. Good news is, there are ways to manage it. Meditation, deep breathing, regular exercise can work wonders. You might want to invite magnesium to the party as well. This mineral helps with muscle relaxation. Back in 2018, an interesting research published in the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences found that a lack of magnesium might be linked to bruxism. So much on those spinach leaves, folks. Lastly, regular dental checkups are your best friend. Your dentist isn't just there to clean your teeth, but also spot signs of bruxism early on. Well, there you have it, folks. I hope these tips will help you figure out how to stop grinding teeth at night. I want to see you all well-rested, pain-free, and ready to seize the day. If you found this information helpful, why not hit that subscribe button? Don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. And of course, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.